Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. Welcome to our channel, BSN, Business Source Network. Thank you for stopping by. I'm Sharitha Gordon, the owner of Strategic Steps Consulting. I hope everyone is healthy and safe and is focused on your passions, your dreams, and your destiny. Have you ever had business questions, but you didn't know what to ask? Well, this channel is designed just for you. It's for the entrepreneur and the small business owner that's looking for questions to be answered. We're here to answer those questions for you. We want to help you by giving you business foundational principles to build your business so that you can start, maintain, grow, and expand your business. We want to walk alongside of you on the journey of entrepreneurship. So we ask you to subscribe and to like and to share with all your business friends. Comment at the bottom, giving us questions that we can answer for you. For this channel is designed just for you. So I want to welcome you to BSN, Business Source Network. We want to be there to walk alongside you to build something great in the world. Have a great day.